May I take this opportunity to welcome you to this official launch of the Insurance Literacy and Market Development Agenda under the inspiring theme of Insurance for All, promoting insurance literacy and building financial resilience for insurance growth. Today's theme is well aligned to the third National Development Plan, NDP3, and Uganda's commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals. Financial resilience means that households can bounce back from shocks, and small businesses can survive a fire or a theft. It also means that our children can stay in school even when the breadwinner is lost. So today marks indeed a significant milestone in our continued journey towards a resilient, inclusive, and robust insurance sector in Uganda. Insurance sector which is intended to serve all Ugandans regardless of their income status, their location, and their social status. Insurance, as we may all know, is a pillar in any country's financial system. It cushions against the unforeseen shocks. It also enables individuals, families, and businesses to thrive confidently. We must also know that insurance, despite the evident benefits, the insurance uptake in Uganda has remained indeed below the desired targets. One of the most critical barriers has continued to be the low insurance literacy. Many Ugandans either do not understand how insurance works or they mistrust its mechanism. Myths and misconceptions and lack of clear information have kept millions of Ugandans outside the safety net that insurance can provide. This is the very reason why insurance literacy is not just a strategy, but it is indeed a necessity. Through this insurance literacy and market development agenda, we aim to bridge the knowledge gap. We intend to build trust, and we intend to empower Ugandans with information they need to make informed decisions about their financial future. Therefore, this agenda is a very strategic tool to drive inclusion, resilience, by putting people under the center, under the regulatory and development efforts of government of Uganda. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are proud to be here at the launch of the Insurance Literacy and Market Development Agenda, which is a bold, collaborative and framework which is intended to, among others, achieve the following. 1, it intends to enhance the awareness and public confidence in insurance. 2, it intends to promote consumer education and protection. 3, it will encourage innovation and product relevancy. 4, it will strengthen partnership among the regulators, insurers, and development actors. And 5, it intends to expand access to insurance in the underserved and unserved regions, including the rural and the informal sectors. This agenda, therefore, is not a standalone document. It must be aligned to the integrated parts of our broader vision. And as the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda, we do look forward to a vibrant, a trusted, and more inclusive insurance sector that contributes to meaningful development of the Uganda's socio-economic transformation. The success of this agenda will depend majorly on collaborative efforts. This initiative has been made possible through a strong partnership, and I want to thank our collaborators most sincerely. Africa Reinsurance Corporation, can we give them a round of applause for making this happen? As we know, their continental perspective and the commitment to building capacity throughout Africa has been instrumental to making this happen. Can we also give another round of applause to Uganda Insurers Association? Because their coordination across member companies and their on-ground presence has ensured that we reach the people who matter most. To this end, the users of the products and the efforts which are in this agenda, we need to make sure that we all put our efforts on it. Together, we are stronger, and together, we can change the narrative of Uganda's insurance landscape. As the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda, may I take this opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to having a vibrant, inclusive, and well-regulated insurance market. But we cannot do it alone. Therefore, call to to each one of you to ensure that you do your part. Insurers, please continue to do innovations and simplify the products which we put on the market. The media, please help us demystify insurance in languages and formats which people understand. And the community leaders, we ask you to act as ambassadors of insurance wherever you go. To the development partners, please partner with us to support and amplify the efforts, partly which are here, and even other new innovations which are intended to ensure that insurance is better understood. May I just remind you of what you already know. According to the International Association of Insurance Supervisors, IAIS, it was stated, and I just want to re-emphasize it to you because you know it, that people don't buy insurance. People don't buy what they don't understand. People don't buy what they don't understand. Insurance is therefore not an option. It is essential. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, this launch is not an end, but it is a bold beginning. It is a beginning of a journey towards an insurance market that works for everyone, from a farmer in Mbale to a border rider in Kampala and to a small business owner in Gulu. Let us all walk the journey together, informed, inspired, and united in our purpose.